In this video, we're going to take a look at first formations. So we're going to take a look at the pros and cons. Now, as you can see, I have here a list. So we're going to start with the pros: fast and efficient incorporation, register your business online in as little as 3 to 6 hours. Over 1 million formations with a trust pilot rating of almost 5. As you can see, over 20,000 reviews, clear flexible pricing, so they offer multiple packages with companies house fees included, great support and extras, so live chat, phone, email support, etc. Now we're gonna move to the cons. So as you can see, add-on costs can add up, so features like confirmation statements, print and docs, or non-resident packages require higher tier plans. Information overload: many service options can feel overwhelming. Inconsistent experiences, so some customers report delays, communication issues, or missing promised features. So these are some pros and cons of first formations. Now, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.